I'm going to do a small comparison between artificial intelligence. AI is artificial intelligence, ML is machine learning, DL is deep learning, DS is data science. So let me do a comparison between these four terms. Deep learning is the subset of machine learning, which is the subset of artificial intelligence, which is the subset of data science. Look, all the four terms are interlinked with each other. All the three comes under the data science. So deep learning comes under machine learning comes under artificial intelligence comes under data science. Now let me explain you all the four terms one by one. For example, this is my data science. Data science is actually based on statistics and probability. Then artificial intelligence, which is the subset of the data science, enables the machine to mimic the human behavior. And then the machine learning, which is the subset of the artificial intelligence. We have three kinds of learning: supervised learning, which is based on the past labeled data; unsupervised learning, which is based on clustering; and then semi-supervised learning. It is done with a reinforcement. And then we have deep learning, which is a subset of the machine learning. It is actually multi-neural network. We have three terms: ANN, which means artificial neural network; CNN, convolutional neural network; and RNN, recurrent neural network. We have an advanced term of the CNN, which we call TL. TL means transfer learning. Artificial intelligence enables machine to mimic human behavior. It is actually a technique, a procedure, which makes the machine capable to mimic human behavior. What human does will be done by the machine with the help of the artificial intelligence. And then comes the machine learning, which is a subset of the artificial intelligence. It comes under the artificial intelligence. What we have in machine learning, we have three types of learning in machine learning. One is supervised learning. In supervised learning, we have past labeled data. We have a proper past labeled data. We feed the machine with the proper labeled data. We train it to perform the task. The second type of learning is unsupervised learning. In unsupervised, it is very much clear from its name, unsupervised learning. It is not supervised. For example, a doctor keeps a record of a patient for any specific disease. What is the nature of the disease? So based on that proper record, proper past labeled data, the doctor is capable now to recognize that specific disease. So there is a proper supervision. There is a proper supervision. That's why we call it supervised learning. The second kind of learning is unsupervised learning. It is very much clear from its name, unsupervised learning. It is not supervised. It is not easy to understand. Only the domain expert know this kind of learning. So it is done with the clustering. This kind of learning is done with the help of the clustering. What we do in the clustering, we make the clusters of a matching data and then expect some kind of output. It may be true or may be false. We can only expect the output. It can be true, it can be false. It is unsupervised. There is no proper supervision here. It can be true, it can be false, where this whole process is done with the help of the clustering. We make clusters of the matching data, then feed it to the machine, and then expect some kind of output. The third type of learning is the semi-supervised learning. Again, it's pretty much clear from its name, semi-supervised, not fully supervised, semi-supervised. There is a supervision in this kind of learning, but not fully supervised, semi-supervised. So we do it with the reinforcement. Look, the word reinforcement means to do something by force. So we do this kind of learning by force to increase the capacity of the machine learning. So we have these three kind of learning in the machine learning. So I hope you got the idea now that from where the machine learning comes.